Hi everyone, in this video I will mention 10 common problems that 1994 to 2000 Mercedes-Benz C-Class W202 and S202 vehicles are prone to experience. Number 1. The wiring harness connector in 722.6 automatic transmissions is prone to develop fluid leaks over time. If this connector leaks for an extended period of time, it can cause damage to the transmission control module due to short circuit. It is recommended to replace the connector every 100,000 miles with a new one as a preventative measure. Number 2. The mass airflow sensor in 4-cylinder supercharged engines is prone to malfunction over time. One of the most noticeable issues when the MAF sensor malfunctions in these engines is that it causes the supercharger not to come on during heavy acceleration, and as a result the engine becomes very sluggish. When this happens, the ECM usually stores codes related to the mass airflow sensor. Replacing the defective MAF sensor with a new one solves the problem. Number 3. The fan clutch is prone to malfunction over time, causing the engine temperature to rise above normal during stop-and-go traffic, especially in hot climates. Replacing the bad fan clutch with a new one solves the problem. Number 4. The wiper motor is prone to malfunction over time, causing the wiper to work randomly or not work at all. Replacing the bad wiper motor with a new one solves the problem. Number 5. The driveline flex joint disc is prone to crack and tear over time, causing clunky noises when placing the automatic transmission in gear, and driveline vibration when the vehicle is moving. Replacing the torn flex joint disc with a new one solves the problem. Number 6. The alternator bearings in some of these vehicles are prone to get noisy between 150 and 200,000 miles. If the vehicle continues to be driven, the faulty bearings can cause excessive heat, leading to premature failure of the electrical components inside the alternator, and it will need to be replaced. Number 7. The water pump in some of these vehicles is prone to develop coolant leaks between 90 and 150,000 miles and needs to be replaced. Number 8. The conductor plate in some 722.6 automatic transmissions is prone to malfunction and to experience premature failure. Some of the symptoms of a damaged conductor plate are hard shifting condition, transmission sticks in gear, transmission won't go into gear, and in extreme cases, it causes the vehicle to go into limp mode. Due to the complexity of these transmissions, it is recommended to have a trained technician diagnose the issues the transmission in your vehicle may be having to verify that they are being caused by a defective conductor plate before replacing it. Number 9. The heater blower motor in some 1996 to 2000 models is prone to get noisy over time and needs to be replaced. Number 10. The glow plugs in some of these vehicles with diesel engines are prone to experience premature failure, causing hard start condition during cold weather. There you have it, my friends. Those are 10 common problems that 1994 to 2000 Mercedes-Benz C-Class W202 and S202 vehicles are prone to experience. Take care.